the sights, sounds, and smells of Catania. Bustling with the young and old, locals, visitors, and students. Sicily's second largest city is nestled at the foot of and mercy of Mount Etna. People refer to Catania as the city of black and white. Black lava is the cornerstone of its streets and buildings, while the white marble counters the darkness. The breathtaking Baroque architecture harkens you back to antiquity. The city has been destroyed several times by natural or man-made disasters. Every major invading force from ancient to modern time has left a mark on Catania and its people. But perhaps its biggest scar is from the 1669 eruption. Etna's lava buried the city. Before it even had a chance to recover, an earthquake in 1693 shook parts of the city. But Catanians picked themselves up from the ashes and rebuilt the city on top of a city. Today, archaeologists and excavators continue to find treasures from its past. Ancient rivers, caves, grottos, and ruins. This Greco-Roman theater from the 5th century was used by ancient gladiators. Up to 7,000 spectators could watch the bloody battles back then. Catania is called the Milano of the South. This is Via Etnea, and behind me, I'm not sure if you can see Mount Etna, but if you go down the street, you'll hit the foot of it. This street is lined with chic restaurants, boutiques, and shops, but just a stone throw away, in the next street, is neglect, poverty, and crime. One of the largest and most robust fish markets in the Mediterranean is located in Catania. In fact, the fish market is as old as the city. Open 6 days a week, it offers everything from tuna, swordfish, mussels and shrimp, to eels, rays, slippery octopus, and many exotic fish, as well as meat. Fish is often caught, sold, and eaten on the same day.
Put your hand like this. Oh my God!
Let me tell you, walking through this market is an experience in itself.
Hold it.
At the heart of Catania is the Piazza del Duomo, with municipal buildings, museums, and the Duomo. The Duomo, or cathedral, was originally built in the 11th century and is dedicated to Saint Agata, Catania's patron saint. Inside rests the tomb of one of Sicily's favorite sons, the opera composer Vincenzo Bellini. A statue and museum outside of the piazza is also dedicated to Bellini. Just a few meters away is a museum dedicated to Giovanni Verga, one of Italy's greatest writers. Water from one of the many underground rivers cascades from the Fontana dell'Amanio. A new spring from that river was recently discovered in this grotto and turned into a restaurant. The Fountain of the Elephant, made mostly of lava, was created in 1735 as a replica of one in Rome. An Egyptian obelisk with hieroglyphics rests on top, along with a cross dedicated to Saint Agata. The elephant is a symbol of Catania, and there are many stories and legends about it, like this one.
Hi, Alfred Zappler here. I'm in Duomo Square, and we're here looking at the elephant, the famous elephant in the square, which is the symbol of Catania. As an attorney, it was kind of interesting for me. Legend has it that the graduates from the University of Catania Law School many years ago would march down here upon graduation and kiss the gonads of the elephant for good luck. So allegedly, it was supposed to be for making money, good luck, etc. About 30 years ago, they stopped doing that when women started to become lawyers, and they objected to kissing the gonads of the elephant. So I got to thinking about this, and I decided maybe we should ask my Sicilian brother Massimo, who happens to be a graduate of the University Catania Law School, if he in fact had kissed the balls of the elephant. The reason that they did that was for good luck. They kissed the balls.
You can do everything for good luck, not just kiss the elephant balls. Why?
So you didn't do that, huh?
No, never.
Have you ever kissed the elephant's balls?
No, never. And
Why?
I'm not planning to do it.
Why didn't you?
Very
To
clear.
do what?
To kiss the balls elephant.
Basta.
I will never kiss the elephant balls. Never. My. No. N-O.
Basta.
Okay. Very clear.
Catania, the city of black and white. The contrast stark, but its history and people are distinctly remarkable.